Nikon D610 probably has the look and feel of an old-fashioned camera. It's a true DSLR, so it has that clunky body and an actual mirror inside, and it resembles something entirely different than those small, sexy, mirrorless cameras that are hitting the market. But for many experienced camera owners, there's nothing that beats the traditional feel provided by a camera like this. It's got a weather-sealed magnesium frame, a huge grip, a mode dial with a continuous mode selector, and 2 control dials. The D610 is the cheapest entry into the Nikon FX family, and it's easily the best full-frame camera at this price point in any system. It should be noted the D610 is not a revolutionary camera. In fact, it's just a minor update to the D600, which was a great camera but got a bad reputation for accumulating oil and dust on its sensor. According to Nikon, the D610 has a redesigned shutter mechanism that has fixed this issue, and it's launching for $100 less than the original price of the D600. Everything Nikon did right on the D600 is done the same way here. It has the same 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and 3.2-inch 921,000 pixel LCD. Image quality is great, with the full-frame sensor outputting close to 9.5 stops of dynamic range in our test. A new quiet continuous shooting option on the D610 gives you a quieter burst mode to play with. It's not silent, but it's an improvement over the D600. We have to admit Nikon's control scheme is among the more disruptive and unintuitive. From the difficult-to-read info screen to the clunky menu design, the D610's interface is almost identical to the system that debuted with the D1X back in 2001. That's a really long time to stick with the same menu design. Compared to its direct competition, the Canon EOS 6D, the Nikon D610 stays on top mostly thanks to its larger feature set. Of course, with the launch of Sony's A7 and A7R, smaller, lighter, full-frame mirrorless cameras are already on their way, and the segment is likely to grow. So the D610 and the Canon 6D may find themselves with tons of competition heading into 2015.